Hi, I'm David Wilkins, CEO of Zenapptic AI. I'm here at the Unilumin booth at InfoComm 2025, showing our ZEN3 Immersive Experience platform. We're showing some content on this big 4K video wall here, and we're managing it all from the ZEN3 platform. If we move over here, we're showing one part of the platform. The platform can be used for a few different things. It is an immersive experience platform. It could be used for experience centers, experiential lobbies, museums, live events. What you're seeing here on the screen right now is one part of the system where we manage the content, the media director. So that's a good starting point. Think of it as a content management system for any screen, anywhere, any resolution, any size. In this screen, I see all the content that's in the content management system. On the big screen, I can control how that content is displayed. If I call up my screen 4, I'm going full screen here, go to screen 3, show a video over here, go back to my split screen. I can start dragging and dropping other content onto my surface, drag this onto screen 3. I see the different videos appear. Content can be anything to us. It could be live video, it could be video clips, it could be PowerPoints, it could be NDI streams, IPMX video streams, YouTube, Teams and Zoom. Literally any content go onto these surfaces. And what I'm showing here is a 2D representation. So we're starting sort of at this basic starting point. But we are a platform that is all about environments, not just screens. And if I load a different environment here, I'll load my news studio environment. It'll take a few seconds to load. But you see all the same ideas, the same concepts apply, but now it's going to be a 3D space with a lot more opportunities for me to share my content. So once it loads here, you see I'm in a 3D world. I'll fly over to my view 1 here. And you see I've got a lot of other screens, and every one of these screens is an opportunity for me to share content. If I target screen 5 with my car video again, I'll just drag it over here in Media Director, and I'll see the car video start playing on screen 5. I can do that again with Zoom and Teams windows. I can do it with videos. I can do it with PowerPoints. And I can control the whole thing from my cell phone, which sort of leads to the next big application area for us, which is live events. So far I'm talking about fixed installs, large screens, multiple screens in an environment, and we're managing the content across all those screens. But I can also control the environments from my cell phone, and I can turn that into a live presentation environment. So if I move over here and stand in front of the screen, it's kind of like virtual production. We call it virtual production light because it's a lot easier than camera tracking and a lot of other things we're used to seeing with virtual production. But if I fly around the environment here, I can control it all from my screen. Let me go back over here and reset this. Maybe load back that same environment I was in before. And say I can use it for I'm going to load a different environment in my screen here. And this is more of an immersive space that I'm going to show in a second. Take a couple seconds to load. And it's an immersion room. We're doing a large project for an airport customer on the West Coast, where we create this immersive environment that you see through these fragments of LED screens. It's sort of a similar idea to what I'm showing here. See if I can fly around here. In this environment, I can control what I'm seeing in that space. And as long as I can get my Wi-Fi working, I'll go back over here. And in this space, I can control everything that I'm seeing on that immersive environment. I can fly the camera in. You see this very gradual camera move. This is designed as an immersion room that's sort of creating a look and feel for a space. We call these Zen spaces. The platform is called Zenapptic. Zen Spaces is one of these examples of immersion rooms. And then if I walk up in front of it, go to my control panel, I can actually stand in front of it and present with my pop-ups. And normally I can do that from my cell phone, but I don't have Wi-Fi here at the show this morning for some reason. And we have lots of other examples of environments as well. Let me see if I can load another one really quickly here. A different virtual set kind of environment, which looks like a corporate office. Again, it's going to load it up. The ZEN3 platform runs in the cloud and manages all of your content, all your user interactions, the interactivity, the analytics. It's all about real-time data, real-time content. We monitor the whole space, and we control it all from these very simple web pages and mobile apps. Again, I'm not getting my Wi-Fi here at the show, but you see this environment is, again, a 3D space that I can fly around inside, and I can move my camera, and again, every surface within that space is another opportunity for me to drag and drop content, target real-time information, give live presentations, create these immersive experiential spaces for lobbies, for museums, for experience centers, for a few different applications like that. For more info, please visit our website, zenapptic.ai. Thank you.